members of Group 3. I am Talisha Singh and Roma Singh. Today we are going to present image formation by spherical lenses. First, we will form. We are taking convex lens at infinity when the object is at infinity. When the object is at infinity, the image will form at f2, and the nature of image will be real and inverted, and its relative size of image will be highly different.
Okay, so let us see the experiment. When we are placing the candle at infinity, the image will form at f2. So here you will see at f2.
Can you see the reflection of light? Refraction. Actually it is refraction because it is a lens. Yes, very good. Focus पे दिख रहा है ना? तो infinity पे अगर object होगा तो कहाँ बनता है? Focus. Yes, carry on, Roma.
And the nature of the image is real and inverted, and it is, as you can see, it is highly diminished. Now case 2.
Case 2 is when the object is beyond 2f1, the image will form at between f2 and f2. The nature of image will be real and inverted and diminished in size.
Okay, so I am placing this candle beyond 2f1. So the image will form between.
See. You can move the screen. देखते हैं कहीं और बनती है कि नहीं बनती. आगे पीछे करो. आगे पीछे करो. हाँ देखो गायब हो गई. Yes, it is lost. लेकिन कहाँ पे? जैसे ही F और C के बीच में, F और 2F के बीच में आता है वो स्क्रीन. देखो उन्होंने वो वाइट से मार्क किया. F और 2F के बीच में आते ही आपको इमेज दिख रही है. It is visible? Yes. Inverted नजर आ रही है. वो लॉ उल्टी है. Yes, very good. Very good, Roma.
The case 3 is when the object is at 2f1, the image will form at 2f2, and it is real and inverted and same in size.
Very
So
good.
I am